how to delete all comments in TikTok. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Open your TikTok, then tap on your profile icon, tap on the menu bar, tap on settings and privacy. Then you have to uh, take help from customer support because you cannot do it on your own. So simply go to support, tap on help center, or you can actually simply go to report a problem and tell them to delete all the comments from this account, and rest is on them. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.